Success isn't an accident, it's a strategy. And if there's one person who has mastered the game of wealth, it's Donald Trump. Whether you admire him or not, you can't ignore his impact on business, real estate, and wealth creation. Today, we dive into the principles and strategies that have shaped his financial empire. So listen closely, because by the end of this, you'll have the mindset and tactics to build and protect your own wealth. Trump's approach isn't just about making money, it's about thinking big, taking calculated risks, and positioning yourself to win, no matter the circumstances. From leveraging real estate deals to branding himself into a global powerhouse, his strategies are built on confidence, negotiation skills, and the ability to turn obstacles into opportunities. This isn't just theory, these are battle-tested strategies used to build vast fortunes. Stay tuned, because by the end of this, you'll walk away with a blueprint for success that can change your financial future forever. Let's get started. In 2006, Donald Trump revealed the secret of success through his book titled, Why We Want You to Be Rich. The book was written by Donald Trump and Robert Kiyosaki, the famous writer who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book is structured as a financial wake-up call, urging people to take control of their financial future instead of relying on traditional employment or government safety nets. Here's a more detailed breakdown of its core ideas. Number one, the wealth gap is growing and the middle class is shrinking. Trump and Kiyosaki argue that economic changes are making it harder for the middle class to survive. Jobs are becoming less stable due to outsourcing, automation, and global competition. Inflation and rising costs of living make it harder to save and invest. The rich continue to get richer because they own assets that increase in value, while the poor and middle class rely on wages, which lose purchasing power over time. To avoid falling into financial hardship, you must move from being a worker to being an investor or entrepreneur. Number two, the government won't save you. Take responsibility for your future. Many people assume Social Security, pensions, and government programs will support them in retirement. The book warns that these systems are unstable and may not provide enough money in the future. Economic downturns, stock market crashes, and government debt mean you can't rely on external forces for financial security. Instead of waiting for government help, build your own financial plan through investments and business ventures. Number three, entrepreneurship and investing are essential. Both Trump and Kiyosaki believe the best way to become rich is through owning businesses and investments. They discourage relying on a paycheck and emphasize multiple income streams: real estate, stocks, businesses, intellectual property, etc. Kiyosaki often contrasts employees with entrepreneurs, arguing that entrepreneurs have more financial freedom. Trump uses his real estate empire as an example of leveraging debt and other people's money to build wealth. Starting a business or investing wisely is a better path to wealth than depending on a job. Number four, the power of financial education. Schools teach how to be good employees, but not how to manage money. Most people don't understand tax advantages, investing, or wealth-building strategies. Kiyosaki introduces his cash flow quadrant concept, explaining how people move from being employees, E, to business owners, B, and investors, I. Trump highlights real estate investing as a powerful way to build wealth. Learn financial literacy, understand cash flow, taxes, and investments to make smarter money decisions. Number five, the importance of mentors and mindset. Success is largely about mindset and learning from successful people. Surround yourself with wealthy, successful people who can teach you. Overcome fear of failure. Both authors stress that failures are learning experiences. They encourage people to think big, Trump's signature approach, and not be afraid of taking financial risks. Your mindset, the people you learn from, and how you handle failure all determine financial success. Final message: take control of your financial future. Trump and Kiyosaki want readers to take action instead of just working and saving money. They believe financial independence comes from investing, entrepreneurship, and lifelong learning. The book serves as motivation for those who feel trapped in the traditional financial system. Despite the applause this book widely received, there were also criticisms. Some critics argue that the book lacks practical, step-by-step strategies. Others say Trump and Kiyosaki oversimplify financial success and ignore the risks of entrepreneurship. These criticisms led Trump and Kiyosaki to write their second book in 2011, titled Midas Touch: Why Some Entrepreneurs Get Rich and Why Most Don't. This book is structured around 5 key elements that make an entrepreneur successful. Each chapter focuses on one of these principles, with insights from both Trump and Kiyosaki. They share their personal experiences, successes, failures, and business strategies. Chapter 1: Strength of Character. Entrepreneurs need mental toughness to handle failures, criticism, and challenges. Most people give up when they encounter failure, but successful entrepreneurs learn from it and push forward. Society often discourages risk-taking, but entrepreneurs must develop thick skin and overcome doubts. Kiyosaki shares how he was criticized for Rich Dad, Poor Dad, but persistence made him successful. Trump discusses how he dealt with bankruptcy and business setbacks but used them as learning experiences. Lesson: failure is a stepping stone to success. Develop resilience. Chapter 2: FOCUS. Follow one course until successful. Many people fail because they get distracted or quit too soon. The average entrepreneur jumps from one business idea to another without mastering one. Successful entrepreneurs commit fully to one business model and refine it until it works. Kiyosaki explains how many people start businesses but abandon them due to impatience or fear. Trump shares how he focused on real estate and branding, building a global empire over decades. Lesson: pick one thing and stick to it until it succeeds. Don't chase every new idea. Chapter 3: The Importance of a Strong Brand. Your personal and business brand is one of your biggest assets. A strong brand helps attract customers, build trust, and create long-term success. Trump's brand is synonymous with luxury and success. He leveraged it for real estate, TV, and merchandise. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad brand became an educational empire, selling books, seminars, and courses. People trust brands more than products. This is why big companies like Apple or Nike succeed. Lesson: invest in your personal and business brand. It makes you stand out. Chapter 4: Relationships Matter. The people you surround yourself with determine your success or failure. You can't do it alone. Having the right mentors, advisors, employees, and partners is crucial. Trump discusses how he surrounds himself with top experts, lawyers, and financial advisors. Kiyosaki highlights how his rich dad, his best mentor, helped him develop financial intelligence. Networking is key. Many successful deals happen through relationships, not just skills. Lesson: choose your team, mentors, and friends carefully. They shape your mindset and opportunities. Chapter 5: The Little Things That Count. Small habits, attention to detail, and consistency make a big difference. Most people ignore small but important details, which leads to failure. Trump shares how he personally inspects his real estate projects and branding. No detail is too small. Kiyosaki explains how understanding tax laws, contracts, and financial statements gives entrepreneurs an edge. Consistency in customer service, product quality, and branding helps businesses thrive long-term. Lesson: the small things, like how you treat customers, present yourself, and manage your money, matter more than you think. Final thoughts in conclusion. The book emphasizes that most people fail in business because they lack one or more of the 5 elements. Entrepreneurs who develop 1. Strength of character, resilience. 2. FOCUS, persistence. 3. A strong brand. 4. Good relationships. 5. Attention to detail, are much more likely to succeed and build wealth. Key message: success isn't luck. It's about mindset, strategy, and persistence. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. And don't forget to drop your comments in the comments section.